Guys, Moto G82 5G launched in India. Motorola has launched the Moto G82 5G at its new mid-range smartphone in India. The Moto G82 5G comes with a few segments first featured. The Moto G82 5G has a 6.6-inch QOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate support. In addition to this, the Moto G82 5G has a 10-bit panel which supports a billion colors. The phone also comes with a 50 megapixel triple camera setup with OIS support. There is a Snapdragon 695 SoC which is based on a 6nm process. The Moto G82 5G boots Android 12 out of the box and has a layer of My UX on the top. It packs a 5000 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging out of the box. It is only 7.99 mm thick and weight 173 grams. Moto G82 5G price in India starts at rupees 21,499 with a rupees 1500 credit card cashback offer. The phone can be bought for rupees 19,999. So friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.